Kakurwa ase chinsemo ao kera chitariki 12 cy'umutinyi 11 kiro mwaka nigo ensengima ekonyako bagikunyura bali bonsi babire bagusiria amagima abo ubatkana amono kubwateranigwa ase Emesokano ya para kurwa ase orogongo rwa Nyanza litkolia rero nigo egati ya abarai nabo igababwatani kurwa se kiombe kia NTSA banyako bagus chengera litkelio kwa sababu kunyora litkelio ase skuru yobobundi ya siara yegotoka ase county ya Migori nabo nigo omunyakerogo bwe kiombe kia NTSA aden ado nigo abe tebabuna kigali kwani ligo Kenya okomenta unenchira yamo yo Kobainyora bali bonsi Basiririe amagima abo kubatkana amono Emesokano opara Jumapili yo mwelio yo mutinyi 11 kera omwaka nigo ensengima ekonyako bagikunyura abantu bali bonsi babire bakubwateranigwa nabo igosiria amagima abo kubwatkana amono Emesokano opara kurwa asensemo ya South Nyanza nigo omoyigoyo nyakobo korekana ase skuru yobobundi ya siara yegotoka asensemo ya Rongo county ya Migori omoteneni bwe kiombe kia National Transport and Safety Authority asorusagiaro South Nyanza asereta adan ado nigo ara omoyigoyo ase abananchi banyako bagosangirikana asenseme yo nagotongia emeshuma munenchira yamo yo kunyura bali bonsi Basiririe amagima abo kubwatkana amono Emesokano ya para.
Today we are gathering here with other stakeholders to commemorate the World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. This is a global event that comes the last Sunday of every year, November last Sunday, and today being 17th of November 2024, we are here to commemorate the World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims.
Nonyana bonigo omuske ado akwanira omubaro omonene obeire goko enekigwa bwa abantu bagusiria amagima abo ense engima nabo igo imeyense ya Kenya nagoteba buna nigo eganga yabo yoko kiania Emesokano iyo egendete kwanekigwa nabo ikurwa obosemi gokia sabagendi bechigali kwanekingango kibale kubwatya amachiko apara engane yo nigo ya gwachinguru amo nomokonyi bo commissioner bwe county ya Migori George Matundura.
It is important to know that according to the World Health Organization, we are recording 1.35 million fatalities every year in the global stage. And on the same breath, we also record, according to the same report from the World Health Organization, 50 million injuries. Kenya records 4,000 fatalities every year. And subsequent years, the situation has been worsening.
This year alone, compared to last year, there is an extra 321 people we have lost. Last year we lost 3,726, but this year is 4,447. So there's an increase in the numbers that we have lost through traffic accidents.
Mwaziri ntenera bwobosombi nechipara Professor Rose Odhiambo nigateba buna county ya Migori nechikoligia enchera yoko amaigelio abarundi abechipigipigi bonsi ase county eyo munencheremo yoko kiania Emesokano iyabirge konekigwa asensemo ichipigipigi.
I think as a county government the best thing we can think of is even to find a school or a place where we can train our motorcycle drivers on safety on the roads, so that there is no conflict between the road users, maybe the drivers, and even those who are using the motorcycles.
Kubatkana amuninga keiga yechirusa nigo muske George Matundura abolia abantu kaba maiso ekero bale asepara nabo kobolia abagendi abechigali gotiga ebinyugwa byo gotindia munenchiremo yoko enekingan kubati bale amachiko apara.
I'm appealing to our people during this festive period that they should be very cautious when they are boarding vehicles, either from Nairobi, from whatever destination. They should be very cautious. And the drivers, please don't drink and drive. Don't overspeed, because those are the causes of accidents. I'm also appealing to the other road users, the pedestrians. Please, let us take care of the road signs, the road infrastructure, because sometimes people vandalize this road infrastructure. and in the end, this one causes accidents. So let us take care of these road accidents, road signs.
Kurwa ase skuru yobo bundi ya siara yegotoka ase ensemo ya Rongo e kaunti ya Migori chenkuru kwa Kevin Onkoba.